Good morning, students. In the starting of the e-classes, I have focused on basic knowledge questions. That's why I have not covered some word problems of first A and first B. Today I will be taking those questions first from next video we will move further for exercise 2F. Exercise first A, question number 6. Subtract the sum of 5000 and minus 173 from 4910. Write it mathematically. We have to subtract the sum of these two numbers from 4910. 4910 minus the sum of 5000 and minus 173. Right? Subtract the sum of these two numbers from 4910. Now solve this. First open this bracket. 5000 plus into minus. Now 5000 minus 173, that is 4827. Now we have to subtract 4827 from 4910, and the answer is 83. Now come to our next question, that is question number 8. In a competitive exam of 40 questions, plus 3 is awarded for a correct answer and minus 1 for every wrong answer. Right? क्वेश्चन पेपर में कितने क्वेश्चन हैं? 40. अगर आप करेक्ट ऑप्ट करेंगे तो आपको +3 मिलेंगे, और अगर आप रॉन्ग करके आ जाएंगे तो आपको -1 मिलेगा. फाइंड द टोटल स्कोर इफ़ अ स्टूडेंट हैड 11 रॉन्ग आंसर्स इन हिज अटैम्प्ट ऑफ ऑल क्वेश्चंस. सारे क्वेश्चंस उसने अटैम्प्ट किए हैं और सब क्वेश्चंस में से यानी आउट ऑफ 40 11 उसने रॉन्ग कर दिए हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 40 क्वेश्चंस. He attempted wrong, that is 11 questions. Then he attempted correct number of questions, that is total minus wrong 40 minus 11 29 questions. Now his score for correct questions, करेक्ट के लिए आपको कितना मिला था? +3. 29 उसने करेक्ट की तो टोटल करेक्ट के लिए उसका स्कोर कितना हो गया? 29 इंटू +3, दैट इज +87 मार्क्स. एंड हिज स्कोर फॉर इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट कितने किए थे? 11, और इनकरेक्ट के लिए कितना मिल रहा है? -1 फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन. तो 11 इंटू माइनस, दैट इज -11 मार्क्स. नाउ टोटल स्कोर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट 87 प्लस -11, जो दोनों स्कोर करेक्ट का स्कोर और इनकरेक्ट का स्कोर वो ऐड हो जाएंगे. राइट? 87 प्लस -11. Now when we open this bracket, minus into plus, minus 87 minus 11, that is 76 marks. Hence the student scored 76 marks. Our next question is question number 9. A plane flying at a height of 7,000 meter above the sea level exactly lies in a straight line with a submarine which is 730 meter below the sea level. Calculate the vertical distance between them. Right? Look at this picture. A plane is flying and this is the sea level. Above the sea level 7,000 meters. The plane is flying at the height of 7,000 meter above the sea level, right, in this direction, and the submarine is exactly below the plane, and it is 730 meter below the sea level. We have to find the vertical distance between plane and the submarine. Right? So plane is flying at the height of 7,000 meter above the sea level, and submarine lies at the depth of 730 meter below the sea level. Right? Then the vertical distance between them. This is the sea level. 7,000 ऊपर प्लेन है और 730 नीचे सबमरीन है. तो व्हाट इज़ द टोटल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम? दैट इज 7,000 प्लस 730, राइट? 7,000 plus 730 meter is the vertical distance between them. Now come to the question number 10. Write a pair of integers whose sum is, and the first part is 0. Here we have to write a pair of integers. कोई भी आपको दो नंबर्स लेने हैं. अ पेयर में कितने नंबर्स होते हैं? 2. आपको एक पेयर लेना है 2 नंबर्स का, जिनका सम क्या होना चाहिए? 0. इट्स क्वाइट ईजी. टेक +2 एंड -2, राइट. एवरी नंबर को जब हम उसके एडिटिव इनवर्स के साथ ऐड करते हैं तो 0 ही तो मिलता है हमें. सो +2 प्लस -2 क्या देगा ये आपको? ऑलवेज 0. यू कैन टेक +3 and -3, +7 -7, -6 +6, any of the pair. And the second part is write a pair of integer whose sum is a negative integer, right. नेगेटिव इंटीजर कब आता है? नेगेटिव साइन कब आता है? जब हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे होते हैं और जो बड़ा डिजिट होता है दोनों में से उसका ही साइन आता है. तो हम कैसे इंटीजर्स लेंगे? लाइक आई एम टेकिंग -11 + 5. ठीक है. आई एम एडिंग 2 इंटीजर्स, one is negative and one is positive, right. And what will be their sum? -11 + 5. One negative, one positive integer. So we always subtract. 11 - 5 is 6. और साइन किसका आएगा? बड़े वाले नंबर का आएगा, राइट. तो यू कैन टेक एनी पेयर, टेक नेगेटिव साइन विद द ग्रेटर नंबर. नाउ एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. A water tanker contains 1000 liters. Due to leakage in the tanker, the water level decreases at the rate of 5 liters per hour. How much water will be left in the tanker after 5 hours? Right? The capacity of tanker is 1000 liters and the rate of leakage will be 5 liters per hour. Yes. How much water will be left in the tanker after 7 hours? Now, capacity of the tanker 1000 liters. Rate of leakage that is 5 liters per hour. 1 घंटे में 5 liters निकल जाता है. तो the leakage after 7 hours will be, the total quantity of water leakage after 7 hours will be, 1 घंटे में 5 लीटर निकल रहा है तो 2 आवर्स के अंदर 10 लीटर्स निकलेगा. 7 आवर्स में 7 5 जो 35 लीटर्स लीक हो जाएगा, राइट. हेंस आफ्टर 5 आवर्स 1000 minus 35, that is 965 liters water will be left in the tanker. Come to our next question, question number 9. The temperature of a hot metallic rod is 270 degrees centigrade. If it is made to cool off at the rate of 7 degree every minute, then what will be its temperature after 20 minutes? The temperature of metallic rod is 278 degrees centigrade and the rate of cooling of that rod is 7 degree per minute, right. And we have to find the temperature after 20 minutes. The temperature of metallic rod 278 degrees centigrade. Rate of cooling the rod is 7 degree per minute. Then after 20 minutes temperature will be down to 7 into 20, that is 140 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. यानी 20 मिनट्स के बाद क्या होगा? 140 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा. देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ रॉड आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स विल बी 278 minus 140, that is 138 degree centigrade. Now next is our question number 10. During a mathematics quiz containing 30 questions, 5 marks awarded for every correct answer and -2 for every incorrect answer. Find the score if Team A gets 24 correct questions and 6 incorrect questions. Right? Second, Team B gets 16 correct questions and 10 incorrect questions. And they did not attempt 4 questions. Team C gets 7 correct questions out of 30 questions. Who won the quiz? Total questions are 30 questions. and 5 marks are awarded for each correct and -2 for incorrect. We will calculate the scores of team A, B and C individually. Now, team A gets 24 correct questions and 6 incorrect. Then his score will be 5 marks for correct questions, so 24 into 5 plus -2 for incorrect answers, 6 into -2. Now, this is 120 minus 12. The final score of team A will be 108 marks. Now, team B gets 16 correct and 10 incorrect and 4 not attempted. Then his score will be 16 into 5 for correct answers, 10 into -2 for incorrect and 4 into 0. Why 0? Because if the questions was not attempted, there will be no marks for those questions. So 4 into 0. Now 16 5 is 80 minus 20, 60 marks, right? Now team C gets 7 incorrect and 23 correct answers. Then his score will be 23 for correct, 23 into 5 for correct questions, 7 into -2 for incorrect questions, 115 minus 40, that is 101 marks. Clearly, team A wins. Team A wins with the score of 108 marks. Hence, team A won the quiz. That's all for today, students, and do these questions in your homework. The rest of the question from exercise 1A, that is question number 7, 9 and question number 10 third part, exercise 1B question 8 and 11.